I have to start. Okay. Yes, Simran.
So if the screen is visible, please kindly confirm it to me.
Yes, we can see the screen.
Yes, yes.
So once again, good evening, everyone. My name is Simran, and I am a manifestation and a business coach and the author and an energy healer. So before this, I have been working with corporates like Wipro, Citibank, Naukri.com. But after having a kid, I was forced to stay at home. But I always had big dreams in my life. So when I was having these big dreams in my life, I just thought that what exactly can be done and how I can actually change my life. So when I started doing these things, I did not knew about law of attraction. So many of us may be possible that don't really know that what is the meaning of law of attraction. So let's first understand the meaning of law of attraction today, and then we will jump into the techniques and the procedures that we can follow. If everybody is comfortable with this language, please say yes in the chat box.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, thank you so
Yes,
much.
yes.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. So, understanding the meaning of law of attraction is basically a process in which we understand that our thoughts are creating our reality. Our thoughts are basically creating our reality. So, when our thoughts are creating our reality, so we understand this thing. I think the screen is disturbing me, so just give me a moment.
No problem.
Yeah. So let me first explain that what exactly is law of attraction. Law of attraction is basically the process in which by our own thoughts, we are creating those realities. For example, today I create a thought that I am a confident person. I can do my business on my own. So these are a few sentences which we are using on daily basis as a positive sentence, and then on that basis our reality is being created. But our mind is so much trained to see the negativity that every time a thought is created, first thought is a negative thoughts, and in a day we get around 60,000 thoughts, out of which 90% thoughts are. So when we have this thing in our mind that it is trained to create negative thoughts, we consciously have to do this effort to create the positive thoughts on daily basis. And that is the process in which these techniques help us and create that sensation in our brain that we are going to create the positivity in our life. So this is kind of basis of law of attraction that we are talking today. If we understand the meaning of law of attraction in a simple word, we say sankalp se siddhi. संकल्प से सिद्धि, जो कि एक हिंदी you can say it is a phrase in Hindi which means that when we are setting an intention and by putting the right energy in it we can get the manifestation done. सिद्धि कर सकते हैं हम अगर हमने एक संकल्प किया है, एक इंटेंशन सेट किया है और हम उसी के ऊपर पूरा एनर्जी अपनी डाल रहे हैं, तो हम उस चीज को सिद्ध कर सकते हैं. उस सिद्ध करने को ही मैनिफेस्टेशन कहते हैं कि जब वो चीज हमारी लाइफ में ऑलरेडी आ जाती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मैनिफेस्टेशन. So if anybody is having any doubt till now, you can ask the question in the chat box or I can continue with the techniques further now.
I just have one question,
Yeah,
Simran,
sure.
because तो ये लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन जहाँ तक मुझे ध्यान है कि सोशल मीडिया में it started coming into too much into prevalence because of the book The Secret by Rhonda Byrne in 2006,
Yes.
I think. But
Yes.
how much is it relevant in our own जो हमारे ancient scriptures है, जो ancient practices है, वहाँ पे like law of attraction किस तरह से use होता था?
Surely, जो भी rituals हम follow करते थे in Hinduism or maybe in Sikhism, maybe in any other religion, जो भी हम rituals follow कर रहे हैं, what are the rituals? Basically, if we are talking about the rituals that are followed in, for example, in Diwali, what are we doing? We are creating that environment over there. We are creating that thought process कि लक्ष्मी हमारे घर में आ रही है. Is there a physical thing coming to our house? No. But हम उस चीज को अपने माइंड में एक थॉट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, एक सिचुएशन क्रिएट कर रहे हैं कि हम लक्ष्मी माता को अपने घर में बुला रहे हैं, राइट? तो उस चीज को हमने एज अ डेटी देख लिया है, बिकॉज जब तक वो चीज हमारे हाथ में नहीं आएगी, हमारा जो लॉजिकल ब्रेन है, इट विल नॉट गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू से. सो उस रिचुअल्स को भी अगर हम कनेक्ट करें, वी कैन कनेक्ट इट थ्रू लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. कि हमने क्या किया, हमने एक सिचुएशन ऐसी क्रिएट की कि दिस इज द डेटी वी आर ब्रिंगिंग इन अवर हाउस, एंड इस टाइम पे लक्ष्मी जी का आगमन होगा. इज देयर एनीथिंग जो रियल में हो रहा है, बट वी आर क्रिएटिंग दैट सिचुएशन. हम उसको अपने माइंड में ही क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, एंड व्हेन वी क्रिएट दोस पॉजिटिव थॉट्स, देन वी सी कि अबंडेंस इज कमिंग, लक्ष्मी जी इज रियली कमिंग. और ऐसा होता भी है कि जब हम पूजा करते हैं, लक्ष्मी पूजन करते हैं, तो लक्ष्मी सही में हमारे घर में आती है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मनी, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेल्थ, and it can be in the form of food, it can be in the form of many things. So that is the abundance we are trying to create. We are trying to create it in a objective form, क्योंकि अगर हम एक subjective form की बात करें जो दिख ही नहीं रहा है, हम in law of attraction also we talk about the things that are not present right now, but हम क्या करते हैं, वो feel create करते हैं, वो उसके लिए emotions create करते हैं कि वो चीज हमने already हासिल कर ली है अपनी लाइफ में. I hope I'm able to
Yeah, very
give the
beautifully
answer.
explained. No, very beautifully explained.
So this is the thing that in law of attraction हम ये कहेंगे कि ये एक jargon है जो कि हमने वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज से ले लिया है. बस उस चीज को अब हमें अपने रिलीजन से, अपने रिचुअल्स के साथ कनेक्ट करना है. I try to do that, and I also explain this thing in my all the classes कि एग्जैक्टली हम कर क्यों रहे हैं. दैट वाज द रीजन कि हमने ये समझना शुरू किया कि लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है क्या. ठीक है, मैंने कहा कि मैं बहुत सारे टेक्निक्स बताने वाली हूँ, बट विल दोस टेक्निक्स वर्क अनटिल एंड अनलेस आई हैव अ बिलीव ऑन देम. सो हमारा जो बिलीव है, जब तक हम उस चीज के ऊपर अपना बिलीव क्रिएट नहीं करेंगे, वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू मैनिफेस्ट एनीथिंग. दैट इज द बेसिस ऑफ लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. सो इस प्रोसेस को समझना थोड़ा सा टीडियस हो सकता है. इट मे टेक सम टाइम because it's the first time we are just introducing this concept, so it will take some time. So take your time, and if possible I will come every week with 15-20 minutes so we can discuss about it more. So the thing over here is that how I actually came into this journey. So let's start from that part. So I was going through a lot in my own life, wherein I was stuck in a toxic relationship, wherein I was, because I just told you that I was working with corporates before, but after marriage I was told that you have a kid now, you need to sit at home and you can't go out to work or do anything. Not only go out, but do anything. You just supposed to sit at home. At that moment, I always had this thing in my mind that I am here to do something big in my life. I was not that kind of a person who would just sit at home with the kid and just adjust with the situations. I was not that kind of a person since childhood. So when I realized this thing and when I came into contact with law of attraction, I was suddenly astonished by my own thing which I saw that yes, it can be done, it can be changed. So what I did, I joined a mentor and started learning about these techniques and started using them every day. उस टाइम पे मुझे नहीं पता था कि टेक्निक्स क्या हैं, मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये लाइफ कैसे चेंज होने वाली है. And it is only a 1 year back journey I am talking right now. It is only a 1 year back journey in which I have this notebook with me, in which I have written, this was 23rd of March when I joined this course, and I started writing that I am living alone, I am independent, I am a life coach, I am an author. At that time, I have not done anything, but I started creating that thought in my life कि ये चीजें मेरी लाइफ में हो रही है. And when these techniques were made us to do everyday basis, we were doing and we were writing these things. So that is the reality of my life today. So that is the reason I have so much of conviction on myself कि ये चीजें really work करती हैं. So that is the reason I have written this book also कि ये चीजें अब मुझे दुनिया को बताना है, उनको शो करना है कि you can also come out of that stuck situation, because 99% लोग कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी situation में stuck है, and the reason for getting stuck is only the thoughts. हमें ये कभी बताया ही नहीं गया कि हम अपने थॉट्स को चेंज कर सकते हैं, उनको कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, उनको पिवट कर सकते हैं. हम सोचते हैं कि ठीक है, थॉट आ गया, लेट इट जस्ट बी देयर, लेट मी वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. और वो थॉट्स भी जो आते हैं, दे आर कमिंग बिकॉज हमारी जो आसपास की सोसाइटी है, सोसाइटल कंडीशनिंग हुई है, पेरेंटल कंडीशनिंग हुई है, बिकॉज वट एवर दे हैव टोल्ड अस to do, they have seen in their life. They have not worked on their own personal growth journey, so they only know that much. And that is one of the reason अभी इतना ज्यादा जो कोचिंग इंडस्ट्री बूम कर रहा है, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट इंडस्ट्री बूम कर रहा है. द मेन रीजन फॉर दिस इज बिकॉज नाउ पीपल आर लुकिंग फॉर द ऑप्शंस टू चेंज देयर लाइफ. They really want it, and this is the industry which is giving them the opportunity wherein they can actually change their life. They can learn more about it, they can learn about their own thoughts, they can learn about their personality, they can work on their own self, and they can really change the whole life trajectory.
Definitely, because knowledge is very prevalent, everybody knows about it, but to implement it constantly at every point of time, because mind तो कई बार negative हर मतलब आधे घंटे एक घंटे में पिकअप कर सकता है, but that is the art which we all need to follow. So
Yes,
I mean, we are looking up to you to learn more from you.
thank you so much. So the next point over here is Nitika ji कि exactly ये techniques है क्या और हमें क्यों use करनी है. So the techniques are always available on YouTube, are available on Instagram. बहुत ज़्यादा bombarded हो रही हैं already. But the thing is, you should be guided by the right person, right mentor who have already experienced it. There are many people who are guiding you with the techniques, but they don't have that kind of experience. So if a person is there who has the blueprint, क्योंकि वो रास्ता उसने road map already चल के यहाँ तक पहुँचा है, so that gives me that kind of conviction for myself. So let me explain a few techniques first of all. Let's just understand. So the techniques that I'm going to discuss right now are the 5 techniques. And the first technique out of which is known as the affirmation technique. So the affirmation technique is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So the affirmation technique is the positive self-suggestions that we are giving to our own mind. जैसे कि अभी हमने बात करी कि every time our mind is creating a negative thought, negative situation. तो जब भी ये negative thought आता है, we try to give that positive situation, positive affirmation to our own mind. The way I told you that I am confident, I can do this business. So these are some positive affirmations, and positive affirmations are always said in the present tense. ऐसा नहीं होता कि I will become something else, I will become a good coach, I am a life coach. So this is a positive sentence which we say to our mind every day, and that reprograms our subconscious mind, because 95% of our subconscious mind is working in creating our reality, and only 5% that is the logical mind that we are using. I will explain about this thing more, because जो हमारा लॉजिकल माइंड है वो सिर्फ हम 5% यूज कर रहे हैं, एंड 95% जो हमारा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है वो ही सारी सिचुएशंस को क्रिएट कर रहा है. और वो ट्रेनिंग जो है वो 0 to 7 years ऑफ योर एज में वो ट्रेनिंग हो जाती है. दैट इज द रीजन वी टेल दैट जो छोटे बच्चे हैं उनके सामने आपको सोच के बोलना है, बिकॉज दे आर बीन ट्रेन्ड ऑन दोज थिंग्स. So we have to be very careful when we are talking to our kids, not only as in conversation with a husband wife, but as a conversation for the kid also. If I am telling to the kid all the time, labeling him that you are not good enough, तुम नहीं कर पाओगे, तो वो किड जो है बड़े होके भी उसको ये प्रॉब्लम होगी. He will not be able to successful in his own life. वो उसको हमेशा वो चीज जब भी कोई काम करने जाएगा, वो हमेशा वो सेंटेंस उसके माइंड में आ जाएगा सबकॉन्शियसली, एंड ही विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू प्रॉपर थिंग्स इन हिज लाइफ. सो इस चीज को लेकर वी हैव सीन मल्टीपल एक्सपीरियंसेस, एज इन माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस आल्सो. व्हेन सम थिंग्स आर टोल्ड टू यू from childhood, it's very difficult to erase that situation and come to a situation wherein we are more confident and we are more easily doing those things. So it is an experience which I am sharing right now again. So इसके लिए हमें अपने बच्चों का बहुत ध्यान रखना है कि उनके सामने ना तो कोई गलत बातें बोले, ना उनको कोई लेबल करें. हम बच्चों को बहुत जल्दी लेबल कर देते हैं कि तुम मोटे हो, तुम नहीं कर पाओगे, या इस टाइप की कोई भी सेंटेंसेस से उनको कभी भी लेबल ना करें. एंड हमेशा उनको पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस ही बोलें, अप्रिशिएट देम, ट्राई टू अप्रिशिएट ऑन द थिंग्स विच दे आर गुड इन. डोंट फोकस ऑन द थिंग्स दैट दे आर नॉट गुड इन. ट्राई टू give them coaching in that particular subject which they want to learn. Give them the freedom to learn and to grow. बिकॉज वो फ्रीडम, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि जब वो फ्रीडम नहीं दी जाती तो बच्चा बड़े होके भी 30 years 35 years तब भी वो परेशान रहता है. दैट इज वन ऑफ द रीजन दे आर नॉट एबल टू ग्रो इन देयर लाइफ. सो दिस इज अ वेरी बेसिक थिंग्स दैट वी नीड टू टेल आवर पेरेंट्स. अगर आपके कोई भी विसिनिटी में पेरेंट्स भी आते हैं जिनको आप ये बात बता सके, तो उनके साथ जरूर शेयर करें कि because this thing is really not helping their kid.
बिल्कुल
So the next,
unconsciously we have been doing, I mean we do at times with our kids, क्योंकि हम भी इस तरह से ही born and brought up है. स्कूल सिस्टम भी ऐसे था जहां से फियर से कुछ करना सिखाया गया कि नहीं करोगे तो ये हो जाएगा, ये नहीं करोगे तो ये हो जाएगा. तो वो फियर से ही ज्यादातर हम लोगों को इंस्पायर्ड रहना सिखाया गया है. We have made fear as inspiration, so these topics are very relevant in today's scenario.
yes, and the fear is one of the biggest blockage I must say, कि fear की वजह से ही हम जिस लेवल पे पहुंचना चाहते हैं. For example, if somebody is telling I want to earn 1 crore by this end of this year or maybe by this year, वो उसके अंदर एक fear इतना ज्यादा है, और fear के भी बहुत सारे types हैं. It's not one type of fear. Even people have fear for success also. They are so fearful कि अगर successful हो गए, इतना पैसा कमा लिया, तो उसको हम कैसे handle करेंगे. They are fearful for that as well. So fear is one of the biggest blockage. So there are a lot of things to learn in this chapter. Right now we are just discussing about the basic जो भी इनके techniques है, that we are just discussing right now. It's a very vast topic. I can keep on talking for the whole night and it will not end. That kind of topic is this. So we first talk about the affirmations. Those were the positive sentences that we are giving to our mind. Then the next practice that we do is known as the visualization. Visualization is basically we are trying to create that story in our mind that this is going to happen. And visualization is that kind of a practice which big cricketers are doing, big superstars are doing. If you have heard Dhoni, or you must have heard Virat Kohli, in some of the interviews they have already shared कि मैंने ये already visualize किया था कि मैं ये बॉल को ऐसे मार रहा हूँ, मैंने छक्का लगा दिया, मैंने इतने रन्स बना लिए. So this is the kind of practice they are doing. The successful people are doing. As a business, big businessmen are doing these practices. So they are doing the visualization before the actual situation. Before the actual situation. For example, today I had this webinar. So the whole day visualization which I was doing in my mind was this, that I am practically sitting over here giving the webinar. These many people are there. They are listening to me. So this kind of visualization, I was the whole day I was doing the visualization. So that is the reason I am so what exactly is the benefit of visualization? Let's discuss on that. So the benefit of any of these techniques is it gives you the self-confidence. It removes the fear. It gives you the, you don't have to think again. You have to just keep on doing the work. You just have to surrender to the process. So it gives you that kind of high. And when you do this visualization in the morning, the whole day you set the intention that this is the way my whole day is going to go. हो सकता है उसमें कुछ चीजें ऊपर नीचे होंगी because everything is not 100%, but still when we visualize कि ये आज का मेरा intention है, this is the work I have to do, we keep on writing those things in the morning, and end of the day you will see that your own mind guided you to do that work, and it was finished very beautifully. So this is the second practice that we do every day in our session, that is called the visualization. Let's come to the third practice. Third practice is known as the practice of gratitude. So what exactly is the meaning of gratitude? Gratitude is basically shifting our focus from not having that thing in our life, that is the scarcity mindset, to an abundance mindset that we already have it. So जब हम gratitude देते हैं, what we are trying to do, we are trying to tell our mind कि ये चीजें मेरी life में already हैं. Because the basic things, the food, the water, the clothes, the like parents, the trees, the universe, everything which is supporting us, उनको हम भूल जाते हैं. ये बहुत basic चीजें हैं. We don't go and tell a tree कि thank you so much, आपने मुझे oxygen दिया, इस वजह से मैं आज जिंदा हूँ. We don't tell our own self कि thank you so much, my body, you are supporting me. We never thank those things. We become thankless. So when we start giving 5 random gratitudes every day, our mind creates those situation कि already जब ये इतनी gratitude में है, तो इनको और चीजें मुझे देनी है. Universe connects with you more. So that is one of the best practice which I follow every day. And I keep on telling in my classes also. In the morning, we have a routine in which we do all the 5 practices together within 45 minutes. And you should always start your day with such high energy that the whole day you feel that, wow, what a day. Life is beautiful. We can say that. So that is that kind of mantras we should have in our life. I have written that mantra on my mirror when I get up in the morning. I have written that mantra that life is beautiful. And I can show you my copy in which I write every day. It's a practice. I have written over here that life is easy. I have written over here life is easy, because when people talk to me, they come and tell me कि तुम्हारे लिए तो life बहुत difficult होगी. How do you survive? So when these kind of thoughts are coming from the outside vicinity, I have to create that thought that life is easy for me and life is giving me this opportunity to go on a bigger level. So we have to create those scenarios which are not present. And when we create those scenarios, because everything is vibrating at this moment, we all are vibrating. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम सब लोग बिल्कुल अभी एकदम बैठे हुए हैं, stagnant है, laptop stagnant है, but everything is vibrating. Even our earth is revolving, but हमें पता नहीं चलता है. So when everything is revolving, everything is having a vibration. So जो चीजें हमें चाहिए वो भी एक frequency पे vibrate हो रही हैं. So we have to reach that frequency, and once we reach that frequency, हमारे सारे goals अपने आप achieve हो जाते हैं. When I was writing this book, मुझे feel ही नहीं हुआ ये book मैंने कब लिखती, because I was vibrating at that frequency कि मुझे ये करना है. The universe supported me so much. I got a mentor, he helped me, and we just went into that journey. I surrendered to the process, and it just happened. If we talk about today's webinar, I was not aware कि मैं webinar करूंगी या क्या करूंगी. You gave me this opportunity, I grabbed it. I said कि yes, I will do it. So whenever an opportunity is there, you should always, always, always say yes. You should always say yes. So things will always fall into place. You have to trust the process. You have to surrender to the process. And it's a beautiful journey. So
Yes.
after gratitude, the last practice which I was talking, No, two more there. Two more are there. So the next practice which I was talking is known as the scripting. In scripting, which I was just telling you, that I started creating this story, which was not present at that moment. I started creating that I am living alone. I have my own house. I am being supported. I am a life coach and I am earning so much. I started creating that story. I started creating this thing that I am an author of this book. नाम मुझे नहीं पता था तब, but I have started writing. So when I started writing, I was giving signals to my mind that this is the thing I want in my life. जब मैंने ये स्क्रिप्टिंग शुरू किया, स्क्रिप्टिंग वाज अ टेक्निक, द बेस्ट टेक्निक व्हिच आई फील टिल टुडे. व्हेन यू स्क्रिप्ट इट एंड जस्ट फॉरगेट इट, कि मैंने लिख दिया है, मुझे भी याद नहीं था कि ये मैंने कब लिखा है, एंड आफ्टर 1.5 month you won't believe the situations were created like this, that I was out of the house. That was kind of a situation created because already I was creating that situation in my mind and it showed me in the 3D reality. So this is the best technique, I would say. And the last technique which I would like to discuss is known as the vision board technique. Basically, vision board technique is a technique in which we create some kind of on a cardboard, on a big sheet of a cardboard, or on a big sheet, we create that what kind of life we exactly want. It can be related to your travel. It can be related that you want to become rich. It can be related that you want to earn this much amount of money, this car you want, this house you want. All those things which are the things in your mind, you can create a vision board, and you just have to keep that vision board in front of you. You don't know how it will happen because universe never tells you how. Universe का काम है, how कैसे होगा हमें नहीं पता. We just have to tell the universe कि मुझे ये चीज करनी है, मुझे ये चीज चाहिए, and it just happens. It just happens. So there was a person, Mr. Godard. So what he did, he made a bucket list of 126 itineraries, that I want to visit this place, I want to climb this mountain, I want to do this thing in my life. And out of those, he already completed 106 things. He already completed, because what he was doing, he was just giving that signal to his mind कि ये चीज मुझे करनी है लाइफ में. That's the only thing we have to do, and it's a very simple process. We complicate it. We think कि इतनी सारी चीजें करनी पड़ेंगी, इतना सारा कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा. Already भी तो हम इतना सारा नेगेटिव सोच ही रहे होते हैं सारा दिन. उस नेगेटिव की जगह अगर हम थोड़ा सा टाइम, just 45 minutes every day अपने ऊपर लगाएं, because my inner world is the reflection of my outer world. हम बाहर से जाके कुछ भी बदल नहीं सकते हैं, because वो roots हमारे अंदर हैं. Until and unless we don't change those roots, we can't see different fruits. आज अगर मैं एक मैंगो के ट्री पे जाके सोचूं कि ऑरेंजेस आ जाएं, will it be possible? Not really possible. So the thing is, we have to change our roots. हमें roots पे काम करना पड़ता है. हमें वो प्रोग्रामिंग जो ऑलरेडी इतने सालों से हमारे माइंड पे हो रखी है, उसको चेंज करना पड़ता है. एंड दीज आर द टेक्निक्स व्हिच हेल्प अस. देयर आर फर्दर मोर थिंग्स दैट वी नीड टू डू. दिस इज जस्ट अ बिगिनिंग एंड इंट्रोडक्शन, यू कैन से, कि यहाँ से आपका इंट्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट होता है मैनिफेस्टेशन में, लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन में. एंड व्हेन वी स्टार्ट द जर्नी, वी स्टार्ट टू सी द मिरेकल्स. और यहाँ पे लॉजिक काम नहीं करता, सिर्फ मैजिक काम करता है. And you
Wow.
really see that magic every day, every day, every day. Trust me on that. So this is all from my side for today. I hope everybody loved it, and you can give me a feedback. We'll surely ask from you that.
In fact, I think we can share our takeaways. आज आपका
Yes,
बहुत
please.
powerful session था. It was giving me कि कितनी चीजें हैं जो हमको मालूम तो है, but we don't practice it. So it was such a good revival. So I think each one of us can share कि what we took away from similar session.
First thing I want to share that the whatever she said is absolutely right. Because if somebody asks from me, the affirmation, I know that when I entered into the college, severe gastritis, and one day I was sitting that how much medicine that I have consumed, it was around 800 kgs of medicine that I have consumed, and still I am at the same stage. So it was in the year of, I think, 14 or 15. So at that time I was reading that the power of your subconscious mind. So on that day, I decided that I have to give up this medication. I don't know. So though I have also did my some lifestyle change, not too much, but still I did. So with that, until this date, 14, 6 years and 7, 8 years. So I have never used, even in spite of the fact that I am consuming everything. Even if I take spicy food, and the habit was so bad that सोने से पहले जो अगर मेरे को एक बार ये याद आ जाए मैंने नहीं खाया तो देन आई कुड नॉट स्लीप. मैं उठूंगा वो टैबलेट लूंगा. अदरवाइज व्हाट हैपेंस दैट सिवियर एसिडिटी यूज्ड टू वेक मी अप इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग 2-3 बजे 4 बजे. सिवियर गैस्ट्राइटिस. तो एक तो ये प्रॉब्लम थी. दूसरा कि मतलब कि एफर्मेशन दैट द बॉडी हील्स इटसेल्फ. So I have one example is this. Second example, all of a sudden my this right temporomandibular joint. So because of sudden yawning, I don't know it was dislocated or something, what happened. So whenever I talk with my colleague, ये करा लो, फलाना करा लो, ढिंगड़ा करा लो, there are so many things. So I stopped taking any advice from then, and then I thought that it will heal spontaneously. Nothing fracture has happened, nothing has happened. So ultimately, even taking some precautions कि थोड़ा hard वगैरह उस side से ना खाऊं या कुछ है. So ultimately now I am absolutely right. Though it took me almost more than a year. बीच में लगता है कि एब्सोल्युटली आई एम ऑल राइट. बीच में ऑल ऑफ ए सडन आई एम सेम. सॉफ्ट डाइट खाना भी मेरे लिए मुश्किल हो जाता था कई बार ओपन करना ओरल कैविटी. सो देयर आर मैनी थिंग्स दैट इफ वी गो बाय द वेस्टर्न मेडिकेशन कि भैया ये है ट्रीटमेंट, इसका ट्रीटमेंट तो यही है जी, आपको कीमोथेरेपी लेना ही पड़ेगा, इसको ये लेना ही पड़ेगा. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. जो हमारा जो यूनिवर्स है दैट इज, यू कैन से दैट it is all about imperfections. You have to accept those imperfections. Wabi sabi. That is the Japanese term. So we have to live in the world of imperfection. There is nothing perfection like a word. So if we try to perfect कि मैं इतना perfect surgeon बन जाऊं कि कोई मेरे मुकाबले का ना हो, या आप इतनी अच्छी क्या कहते हैं ये magnetic coach बन जाएं कि आपके मुकाबले का ना हो. So perfections are imperfections are always there. So if we try to do everything in a, you can say, over and over and over, then we cannot live the life. So whatever the imperfections are there, we have to accept it. And we should be thankful that in spite of all those imperfections, I am far, far better than the most of the people who are suffering, and their sufferings are far, far more than mine. So these are the things that I have, and that was the reason behind that, because I have tried everything. So when I was free from this acidity problem without taking medication, then I thought of that something is there, the solution is there for my this skin problem. Because every time you apply something new, 500, 10 or 1500 की bottle लेके आओ, लगाया 2 घंटे तक आराम आ गया, रात को फिर itching हो रही है, then that will wake up. So now I am not using any kind of moisturizer, nothing. Only the soaps which contain less chemicals. That's all. थोड़ा अपना modification अपने lifestyle में कर दिया. I try to avoid those things which are having preservatives or processed food. Though I don't say that I am not taking, but still I have minimized those things. If I have to take, suppose कचौड़ी खानी है मेरे को, तो I avoid all these sauce and everything. घर की हरी चटनी है, then I will take that. So these are the small things that we can modify and we can live a very healthy life. That's all.
Wonderful. Anybody else would like to share? Because by 8